Hello students, welcome to EPG Parshala. I am Dr. Savita from Maharaja Agrasen University, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss about a module Entrepreneurial Competences under paper Entrepreneurial Development and Project Management. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the concept of competence and competences, the difference between competence and competences, various elements of competency, various types of entrepreneurial competences, the implication of competences in the field of entrepreneurship, and the process of developing entrepreneurial competencies. Due to globalization, liberalization, and privatization, entrepreneurs are facing many challenges and hurdles for the survival of the enterprise in the globalized era. Many entrepreneurs have started their own enterprise due to lucrative benefits of entrepreneurship, but only few run their business successfully while many others suffer huge losses due to various problems. Now, question arises, why few entrepreneurs are successful and others are not? Is there any difference between the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneur? The obvious answer is yes. The success of business depends on the attitude of entrepreneurs and the qualities she or he possesses. The skill, knowledge, and other personal traits that an entrepreneur possesses are called entrepreneurial competences. Due to these competences, entrepreneurs are able to perform their business tasks better than others. To run any entrepreneurial activity successfully, competences are very essential. For modern era, entrepreneur it is very important to have understanding of entrepreneurial competences. Along with understanding, it is very crucial to identify the inborn competences and required competences so as to develop full range of entrepreneurial competences. Now, next question arises, whether these competences can be injected or developed. There are various arguments for this question. Let us try to understand in detail about the term competence and competences and other related issues in this module. Concept of competence and competency. To understand the meaning or concept of competency, it is important to have knowledge about the term competence because the form competency has originated from the word competence. Understanding of competence concept will help to develop the clear idea about competency. Various academicians defined these terms differently. Boites describes competence as the characteristic of an entrepreneur which results in the form of superior or effective performance in the business activity. On the basis of this definition, we can describe that competence is the underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur through which she or he performs well. These underlying characteristics includes personal traits such as knowledge, skill, personality, and attitude, etc. On the basis of this definition, Hawke has defined competency as demonstration of characteristics, includes skill and abilities which result in superior business performance. United Nations Industrial Development Corporation has defined competency as skill, knowledge, and other attributes which helps an entrepreneur to perform tasks in an effective and efficient manner. We can say entrepreneurial competence is the mix of skills, knowledge, and behavioral attributes of an entrepreneur that affects the performance of one's. Due to these attributes, few entrepreneurs perform really well while others lack. Competency helps an entrepreneur in effective and efficient functioning of an enterprise. Competency is the application of skill set, knowledge, and attitude for better performance of the job. It is the major differentiator between the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs. In practical, competency means how an entrepreneur is using his acquired knowledge and skill. For example, if an entrepreneur is having BTech, that is computer science. For example, if an entrepreneur is having BTech degree and he is using his knowledge and skills in automation of the enterprises, it is his competency. Generally, the attributes of competency are not known to individual concern, and that is reason behind the poor performance of the business. Let us discuss now the difference between competence and competency. Most of the times, people use competence and competency interchangeably, which means both are the same. Now, question arises, if both are same, then why there is a need to discuss both the terms separately? Famous academician McClelland describes that both the term, that is competence and competency, are not the same and have different meanings. The basic difference between the two is that competence is underlying characteristic of an entrepreneur and competency is the behavioral aspect of the characteristics. The difference between both can be understood with the help of some points. These are: competence is skill based, where competency is behavior based. Competence covers the standard attained in one's life, whereas competency is manner of behavior. Competence means what is measured and competency means how the standard is achieved. Attributes of entrepreneurial competency. In above section, we have discussed the difference between competence and competency and also understand that both are complementary to each other. In this section, you will learn about the main elements or attributes of entrepreneurial competency. Following are the three major attributes or components of entrepreneurial competency, that is knowledge, skill, and motive. Let us try to understand these three attributes of entrepreneurial competency in detail with the help of examples. First of all, knowledge. Knowledge means gathering information and retention of gathered information for further application to complete task. Knowledge is very important to complete any task but not sufficient. For example, an individual can understand the process of setting an enterprise by reading various books, and further she or he can describe the various aspects of business, but mere reading and description will not enable the individual to establish the enterprise. We see in real world that many entrepreneurs having full knowledge of business failed miserably during actual performance of the business tasks. This failure of entrepreneurs suggests that entrepreneurs also require something else to perform tasks well, and that is something extra, a skill to use or translate the knowledge into application. Second one is skill. Skill simply means demonstration ability of knowledge which results into something that can be observed or seen. In other words, we can say it is a sequence of behavior through which an entrepreneur apply his knowledge and create a system that can be observed by others. For example, when an entrepreneur applies his gathered information to create and run a successful enterprise, it is her or his skill. Knowledge can be acquired by reading and gathering information, while skill is acquired by practice. This implies that both knowledge and skill are important to run an enterprise successfully. Motive. Third important element of competence is motive. We can define motive as one's attitude and behavior to achieve goal. Famous behavioral scientist McClelland termed motive as achievement motivation. An entrepreneur can achieve success in his venture only he has motivation to achieve success. Continuous motive of success achievement directs as entrepreneur to perform jobs successfully. If we continue above example, we can say an entrepreneur can achieve success only if he has motivation to set and run an enterprise. Hence, in order to set and run an enterprise successfully, entrepreneur required to possess all above discussed attributes, that is knowledge, skill and motivation, which together called entrepreneurial competences. Features of entrepreneurial competences. After discussing attributes of entrepreneurial competences, we can enlist the features of competences which are as follows. One is entrepreneurial competences are the underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur. Secondly, it leads to demonstration of knowledge which can be observed. Thirdly, competences must lead to superior performance. Fourthly, entrepreneurial competences can be acquired through information and practice. Khanka suggests a model of entrepreneurial competency through mathematical equation by using above discussed attributes of entrepreneurial competency. Competency is equal to competence plus commitment, where competence is equal to knowledge or skill and commitment is equal to one's deep motivation or belief or attachment to the job. Khanka further enlists the detailed elements of entrepreneurial competence and commitment which are given below. Detailed components of competence. These are technical skills, basic operational information, business knowledge, communicative skills, interpersonal skills, leadership qualities, team spirit and team building skills, decision making skills, time management skills, and work coordination skills. Whereas components of commitment are self-belief and confidence, motivation, hard-working spirit, honesty and integrity, dedication and determination, positive attitude, winning attitude, learning attitude, perseverance, enterprising nature, and result oriented. All discussed components are the contributors of superior performance, and if an entrepreneur wants to succeed in his venture, he has to work on acquisition of all above components of entrepreneurial competency. Entrepreneurial competencies. This is a long-lasting debate that whether entrepreneurs are born or made. Most of the people believe that only those entrepreneurs succeed those have family background in business. This belief supports the myth that entrepreneurs are born, but there are so many examples that contradict that myth and support another fact that entrepreneurs are made, not born. Entrepreneurs can become successful by acquiring knowledge and skill set through education and experience. Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad, and many other researchers conducted research studies on this debatable topic. Entrepreneurial competences. Following are the major entrepreneurial competences identified by a researcher which make a successful entrepreneur or result in superior performance. Detailed components of competence. These are initiation. Initiation is the first and foremost competency of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur must be vigilant, learn from mistakes and make efforts to overcome hurdles. Try to gather as much information from researches and individuals as information helps to achieve goals. Quality consciousness is the key to achieve success and beat existing standards. Full dedication and determination to complete tasks. Efficiency is the key to success in business. Formulation of realistic and well-researched plans. Proper and effective implementations of plans. Components of commitment. Never give up attitudes and look for solution of problems. Self-confidence and self-belief. Convincing and persuasive personality. Efficient manager. Always consider employees as family members and try to work in team. Growth-oriented attitude and enterprising person. Consider other opinions and suggestions. Proper utilization of resources. Will to take risk and adaptive nature. High motivation and high need achievements. Other than above discussed competences, there are few more competences which are also very important to perform tasks successfully and get desired results. These are Strategic competences. Entrepreneurs must develop ability to operate his business according to the competitor's plan of action to encounter the possible competition. Next one is full commitment. Entrepreneurs should possess strong motivation to complete and run enterprises successfully and look to make dent in old traditions. Concept developer. Entrepreneur must develop analytical competency to face complex situations and try to develop new concept to run business in most difficult situations. Entrepreneurs should be analytical, prompt decision maker, innovative and creative. And the next important point is opportunity seekers. Entrepreneurs should try to identify opportunities in every challenge, recognize and capture opportunities, and understand customers' need to deliver superior customer value than competitors. Organizational competency. This competency includes knowledge and skill to lead, direct, motivate, and control workforce. Further, it covers planning, budgeting, and implementing the strategies. Next one is learning attitude. Successful entrepreneurs always strive to learn from others' opinion, experience, and also from own mistakes. Learning competency also empowers entrepreneurs to acknowledge others' contribution and work. Competitive competency. It includes the ability to adopt and use new means of business such as technology adaptation, positive attitude toward change, and skill to use new technology. This also includes the ability to use and handle new instruments and tools of business operations. Next one is social competency. Entrepreneurs are social animals and always live in society. So, it is their responsibility to serve the society. They must meet their social obligations and always try to run enterprise which is beneficial for the society. Social responsibility competence enables entrepreneurs to get competitive advantage and survive in the competitive global world. How to develop entrepreneurial competences? We have already discussed that entrepreneurial competences, which is combination of competence and commitment, results in superior performance. Competence and commitment are underlying characteristics and behavioral aspect of one's personality. EDI Ahmedabad, in collaboration with McClelland, famous behavioral scientist, conducted the famous Kakinda experiment and found that entrepreneurial competences can be developed and injected in entrepreneur's mind through proper mentoring, education, and training. Kakinda experiment suggests 4 tools or methods to sharpen entrepreneurs' competences. These are competency identification and recognition, competency assessment, competency mapping, and development intervention. Let us discuss each method in brief to understand how one can develop entrepreneurial competencies. Competency identification and recognition. Before developing competencies, it is important to understand the meaning of competency and what are the attributes of competency. Competency begins with the conceptual knowledge of entrepreneurship, its behavior and attributes. First step in competency development is identifying and recognizing the set of elements needs to complete the task effectively and successfully. You have already gone through the attributes of entrepreneurial competencies. Attributes of competency may vary from business to business. For example, to run a manufacturing enterprise, basic element is production process, whereas to run an automobile service center, key to success is service delivery and relationship management. Competency assessment. After identification and recognition of entrepreneurial competencies, next step is assessment of competency. This step includes assessing the already possessed competency of an entrepreneur so that these can be compared with standards. At this step, once possessed competencies are enlisted and examined. This is done to analyze where one stands and what are the additional requirements so that it can be decided whether an individual is ready to start an enterprise or something extra is required. This process is completed by asking various type of questions from a prospective entrepreneur. Questions may include basics of business, enterprises, individual personality, likes, dislikes, knowledge, skills, and his level of motivation. This exercise helps to ascertain one's entrepreneurial competency level. Competency mapping. After identification and recognition of competency and assessing the level of possessed competency, next step is competency mapping. At this step, already possessed competencies are compared with the required set of competencies which are important to be a successful entrepreneur. During the competency mapping, gap analysis is done and remaining important competencies are identified. Competency mapping is a process of identifying the deficiency in comparison with standard. Complete list of competencies are compared with possessed competencies so as to develop the successful entrepreneur. A popular tool to map the entrepreneurial competency is skill to do or will to do chart. Skill to do means the ability to entrepreneur to perform enterprise task or job, and will to do means entrepreneur's desire, motivation, achievement to do the job. On the basis of this chart of skill to do or work to do, competency deficiencies are identified. After deficiencies identified, necessary competencies are injected or developed through proper education and training to become a successful entrepreneur. After developing the required competencies, entrepreneurs practice these competencies in day-to-day business life. Development intervention. After identifying, recognizing, assessing, mapping, injecting, and finally practicing of competencies, next step is to make one's introspection of the practice to sharpen and strengthening the competencies. Whole process is called review analysis or feedback. During review analysis, entrepreneurs' new behavior is analyzed. New behavior implies the behavior after injecting the requisite competencies. Development intervention helps an entrepreneur to assess his strengths and weaknesses. During this process, entrepreneur knows how the new competencies have been proving its worth. This helps entrepreneurs to sustain or give up the particular behavior in his future action of entrepreneurship so he can adapt the changing environment to perform his tasks effectively. So students, let's summarize what we have learned from this module. Entrepreneurial competency is required to perform any entrepreneurial task effectively and get desired results. Entrepreneurial competencies are the main difference between successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur may acquire competence which is underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur, but it is not enough to perform tasks successfully. To perform tasks successfully, an entrepreneur needs commitment along with competence. Commitment is one's deep attachment to the job or enterprise, and this commitment leads applications of acquired knowledge and skill into superior performance. Basic difference between competence and competency. That is, former is what an entrepreneur can do and later is how he does. Three major attributes of entrepreneurial competency are skill, knowledge, and motives. These three attributes together form